Hello sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I think it's brown out.
Uh-oh.
Guys, 8:20 ng umaga. Naglaba ako sa CR. Basa pa yung kamay ko. Biglang nag-brown out. Hindi ko alam brown out ba talaga or merong na short circuit na naman dito sa bahay. Yung alaga ko gising na. Nawala yung kuryente. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko. I-off ko ang heater. Kadalasan sa mga ganito guys, kapag yung aircon namin i-on tapos umulan sa labas, yung basa sa labas ba, kadalasan ganito ang mangyari. Pero ngayon wala siya guys. Wala. Hindi ko alam kasi nasa CR lang ako, tapos si madam natulog, si Jenny meron siyang online class. Hindi ko alam online class ano ba tawag dyan, orientation yata. So ngayon nag-burn out siya. Inoff ko yung heater yung inoff ko. So anong gawin ko dito? Yan siya. Hindi ko alam. Wala, brown out lang talaga siya guys. Kasi yan siya, naka-on man siya guys. Pero nawala yung ilaw namin. Kasi kapag mag short circuit ito siya, mapunta dito. Tapos i-on ko siya ulit. Pero ngayon wala. Brown out talaga siya guys. Wala. Wait lang, tatawagan ko si sir. I-off ko muna yung tubig. Hindi ko pala na-off yung tubig. Yan o, naglaba ko. Ay. Hindi natapos yung nilalaban ko. Brown out. Wait lang. Tawagan ko muna si sir guys. Biglang nag-brown out. Hello sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, I think it's brown out.
Brown out, all electricity gone?
Yeah. I was in the bathroom and then suddenly it's light gone. What we call of
Yeah,
this?
it's just circuit breaker.
Circuit breaker. Then it's still on.
Actually, they sent before few days message that from 9 to 12 they are doing some maintenance. Just do one thing, that on the horror side stair there are a switch. Make it on, just see if this light is working or not.
Okay, 1 minute. Telepon
Oh,
siya.
if heater is not on, leave it. Don't do anything. Just wait. And even you put this window, it was not need to clean it now.
Already I
After
cleaned.
some time.
Already
Now it is already sunny, so it is better.
I cleaned the window. Okay, we'll go out. So punta tayo dito sa Harris guys. May stairs dito. Oh, run out talaga guys kasi yung elevator hindi nag-light. Walang ilaw yung elevator, run out talaga siya guys. Yung ilaw. Wala. Elevator walang ilaw. Mag-ilaw man yan dyan pagka may kuryente. So wala. Tawagan natin si Sir. Hanggang alas 12 daw yung brown out. Hello sir.
Hello.
Sir, brown out. The elevator red light is not there. There is no light.
Oh, maybe they are doing some repair.
Until 12 o'clock?
I will check. There was message, but I forget even before once, but that day it was working. They are doing some maintenance. I will check. Maybe in Sahel there is message.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Wala ko. Brown out.